Hi, Adrian.
Hi, Karin.
How strong is your desire to be right?
That's a great and interesting question. I don't have a desire of being right. I used to, but that ended a long time ago.
What happened?
Well, a few years back, I listened to a lecture from Dr. Wayne Dyer, who is one of my favorite spiritual teacher. And he gave a very, very interesting strategy of how to let go of the desire of being right. And this lecture had a profound impact on me, and I started using it ever since. He said instead of becoming defensive with the other person, simply say these things. That is very interesting. I never looked at it that way. Tell me more. And I did this quite a few times, and pretty much every time I got the same result. The other person didn't know what to say anymore because their expectations were of me to become defensive and argue with them, to contradict them. And this helped me to live a more peaceful and quiet life. And I realized that life goes on without me being right all the time. Now, what about you, Karin?
Yeah, I think at a certain age, we strive to get a little bit more inner peace. And when we have to argue all the time and proving our case, it's just mentally very exhausting. So I think it's a matter of the situation, of course. Um, but you ha just have to make a simple decision. Do I want to be right or do I want to be happy? And
Mm.
I ask myself this question all the time, or I guess since I'm in my 50s, I'm quite frequently reevaluating. And the answer is most of the time I want to be happy, so I let go of being right. And uh, it's a great strategy to find something that helps you to let go of showing the world how smart you are. Now, this was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.